Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys, welcome to the textbooks analysis class. In this today, our lecturer, Miss Rahmatillah, cannot join this class, so I want to handle this class. Okay, so today there will be two presenters from our class, from my class, from class E. There is group 12, and then from class I there is group 6. So without any further ado, let's start this meeting from with reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so for the first presenter will be group 12 from our class. Okay, group 12, time is yours.
Share screen, Chan.
Ini hostnya dipindahin ya. Jadi udah.
Share screen gua kan, Chan? Share screen gua.
Ada.
Ada.
Ya Allah. Ih. Aduh. Sabar. Kok banget ya? Sabar. Udah kelihatan belum?
Udah.
Udah.
Jadi slide satu deh.
Sabar, gua mau dulu gua.
Chan, langsung buka aja, Chan.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are from group 12. We will present about textbook analysis. Before that, let me introduce our member. I'm Chandra Aditya Graha, Iriansah, and Vera Yulianti. Okay, next name. The title of our group is An Analysis of English Book for 10th grade by Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia based on BSNP theory. Next. Okay, the first one is about the book identity. This title of book, bahasa Inggris, the author by Utami Widiati, Zuliati Rohma, and Furaida. The editor of this book, Ramon Mohandas, PhD. Years of published 2011. Publisher, Pusat Kurikulum dan Perbukuan Balitbang, Kemendikbud. The type of book, 224 pages. The size of the book is A4. This book for senior high school, and the language of this book is English and Bahasa. Next. Analyze of the cover. First one is illustration. The cover give the description that the book is for the 10th grade student of senior high school. The picture described by the word background and decorated by of word or subchapter the content in this book. Number 2, dominant colors. The dominant colors are blue, red, white, and a little bit black. Blue color means for learning process. We should be enjoy and happy with it, so that we can retrieve the material easily. Red here illustrate the braveness. It means that in our process learning, we should be brave to take action. For example, we should be brave to state our purpose, whether our opinion or question, or else you will be lost on the way. And white color on this cover means purity. It illustrates that by this book, perhaps the student can be poor. And also it can be mean that student must retrieve the knowledge when they are in a clean condition, whether their bodies or mind. Black color symbolizes as a strength and strong intimidation, as well as creating the impression of being sophisticated, elegant, and confident. Next. Chapter 2, discussion. A, content appropriateness. First one is suitability of material description with SK and KD. In the English book, in this book, we have analyzed based on the suitability of the material description according to the criteria as follow. The A is material completeness. The discourse present in the textbook cover the scope described in the subchapter, namely to motivate students to learn. The scope of completeness of the material includes subtopic or subsection that meet the achievement of competency standard. The activity in the book facilitates learning with a specific approach. The B, the broadness of the material. The concept, definition, principle, procedure, example, and training contained in this book can be said to be in accordance with the basic material needs that support the achievement of SK and KD. For example, we can see the chapter 1 on page 1 with the chapter title talking about self. In this chapter, the material begins by presenting concept and example, as well as training that support the achievement of core competency and basic competency. The C is the deepness of material. The concept, definition, principle, procedure, example, and training contained in this book can be said to be in accordance with the basic material needs that support the achievement of SK and KD in the 2013 curriculum. The second is the accuracy of material. The A is accuracy of concept and definition. The material in a good textbook has accuracy and is conceptual. one book that does not definition, so that it does not the textbook. The last one is accuracy of drawing, diagram, and illustration. Apart from the accuracy of the data and fact, there are also picture and illustration that match the reading. In reading, it must contain symbols, relate icons. This book includes icon symbols that are appropriate and good. Okay, the next presenter will be delivered by Vera Yulianti. Vera Yulianti, time is yours.
Okay. The next material is presentation appropriateness. And in the presentation appropriateness, the first there is technical presentation. And for the technical of presentation, there are several criteria. The first criteria is systematic consistency of presentation, and in the systematic consistency of presentation in this book is quite good, like starting from the introduction, which contain the forward and table of contents. Then content section include description, discourse, training, illustration, pictures, and others. This book also has a close relationship between description, discourse, practice like dialect conversation, and example in material balance. So the student are able to apply knowledge as a whole. And the next criteria is balance of the interchapter. The order of the topic or material in this book is in accordance with KD. For example, is in the reading, like dissecting structure, interpreting meanings, understanding characters, parsing events, and producing text. And the second is the completeness of the presentation. So the completeness of the presentation in this book, there are introduction section, content section, and ending part. In introduction section, in this book, there are forward and table of contents. For forward, that give information of writing this book, thanks, and also hopes. And then the table of contents, of course, we know that the table is a list that contains information that makes it easier student to find chapter, subsection, and topics. And the second is content section. In the content section, there are follows. The first is the picture and illustration is displayed interesting and clear. The quality of the content that is in accordance with the material, so the student can easily study and understand it. And then for each chapter in this book has its own difficulties level. And for summary in this book, there is no summary because this book uses K13, so the student summarize themselves. And the last ending section. In ending part. In ending part, for the end in this book displayed a bibliography and then an index and glossary. Okay. Next is learning presentation. The learning presentation of this book follows student-centered. This book presents interactive and participatory material, and this is support the fact that students are centered. For example, there is material that makes the discussion and presentation process look like creating a conversation text dialogue. In that case, student will become the subject of learning. And the second is stimulate the imagination, creation, and critical thinking of the students. Presentation of the material of the stimulate imagination, creation, and critical thinking of this book. In this book facilitated learning with scientific approach through illustration, analysis, and practice question. Okay, the next material will be delivered by Iriansah.
Great. Next slide, Dim. Okay. The next one is language appropriateness atau kelayakan aspek kebahasaan. In analyze it, there were 6 criteria that provided in BSNP theory. They are language straightforward atau kelugasan bahasa, with communicativeness, dialogis and interactive, appropriate with students development atau sesuai dengan perkembangan murid. Yang kelima, suitability with English structure. And the last is using of terms, symbols, and icons. Alright. Number 1 is language straightforward atau kelugasan bahasa. Overall, the language straightforward used in this book is widely clear, presented, and of course it will be easily for the reader to understand the material. It's shown by certain pages in this book, the accuracy of the structure, the effectiveness of the sentence, and the basic term is already complete, and the content is quite easy to be understand. Number 2 is communicativeness of the language. And overall, it's already well presented by the author, and by the author using communication language between the reader and writer is well presented too. Number 3 is dialogis and interactive. In every chapter, the writer often uses the communication word in order to interact with the reader. The communication word here is like bukalah dan bacalah. In certain pages, there was word or kalimat perintah, such as like that. And number 4 is suitability with students' development. As we know that this book is for 10th grade in senior high school, so the student must use the teacher must use the modern language, and this book is already presented well and suitable with students' development, where the word is departed. Right, number 5, suitability with language structure. As mentioned before, that this book uses 2 language, which is Indonesian and English. Overall, the language structure written in this book is already suitable with language structure. The last one, using of terms, symbols, and icons. And of course, after analyze and seeing by in general, in some pages of this book is already suitable with language structure. Right, the next slide. Okay, the next one is grade appropriateness atau kelayakan secara kegrafikan. Alright, BSNP theory has provided 3 criteria of grade appropriateness. They are book size, cover design, and book content design. Alright, number 1, book size. For the book size, the SNP theory has provided two main paper size, that was A4 and A5, and this book used the A4 paper size. And for the standard format provided by BSNP is using the 12 to 14 times New Roman and or any font that can compare with it. The next one is cover design, and this is have explained by Chandra before in the analysis of the cover. And of course, overall, we may say that the cover of this book is interesting, simple, illustrative, and also blue lightly colored, like what the previous presenter have stated. All right. Number 3 is book content design. Okay. As you can see on the screen, there were 6 criteria that provided by BSNP. They are reflection of the book contents, the harmony of the layout, the completeness of the layout, understanding power of the layout, typography of the book, and the last one, illustration of the contents. And also, overall, the content book content design based on those criteria is already well presented, shown in certain pages, and supporting the material provided in this book. Right, next slide, Tim. Okay, the last one is the conclusion. So, after doing the analysis of this book and some series of analysis that we have did, with its relevant proof or evidence, we can give the conclusion that this book is, which is entitled Bahasa Inggris, published by Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia in the years of 2018, revision of 2017 for 10th grade in senior high school. We can assume that this book has passed the test of appropriateness and suitability of language and graph, and like the previous presenter have said, in what is it? Language and graph, of course, based on BSNP theory and based on the discussion above. The suggestion that we can give for this book is, in fact, this book has not been widely used in every school in Indonesia. This book is only used in certain school in certain city in Indonesia. So we recommend this book to be used in every school in Indonesia as a course book, or in short, this book can be made as a reference in doing the language learning. Right? That's all the material that I can give to you. For the next, I'll give it back to the presenter, to the moderator, I mean.
Okay, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you for Vera and
Chandra, I think your
section
signal
in
is not
A
good.
for my signal is bad. Sorry for that. Okay, the next section is Q&A. Please be free to give addition, question, or suggestion for our group.
Deh, ini pertanyaan dulu apa lanjut ke kelompok selanjutnya?
Ya,
Tampung.
Lanjut deh.
Pertanyaan
Lanjut
dulu
dulu
aja. Pertanyaan dulu aja, kalau enggak terus nanti sambil nunggu dijawab kami presentasi.
Oh, boleh.
Mudah bagi yang bertanya dipersilahkan. Ayo guys, ada yang bertanya nggak?
May I ask the questions?
Yes, of course.
Yes. My name is Kania Sausan from 6I, and I would like to ask you, what is the difficulties, what is the most difficulties when you analyzing that book based on BNSP theories, and how do you solve the problem? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question. Any others the question? Any others?
Congratulations.
Okay, guys, any other question? No one give a question? If no one give question, I will close our presentation. Udah nggak ada yang nanya lagi ya? Kalau nggak ada, mau ditutup ini presentasinya.
Coba aja kayaknya, Chan.
Udah ya? Udah itu aja. Oke. Okay, no one give a question again. Okay, let me close our presentation. That's all from our group. I'm sorry for the mistake. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we are from group C. We will presentation about analysis 9th grade in the second semester speaking talks or activity hots or lots. The presented by me, Septikus Maningrum, and my partner is Sri Mulyani. The first is book identity. The title of the book is Passport to the World, a fun and easy English book for grade 9 of junior high school. Author by Jatmika, Agus Dwi Priyanto, Ida Kusuma Dewi. The editor by Ahmad Tommy. The cover designer by Iwan Surya. Years of public at 2019. Publisher by PT 3 Serangkai Pustaka Mandiri. Antique of book, any 224 pages. Size of book is 12. Sorry, 20, 21 kali 29 7 centimeter. ISBN 978 978 600 0 600 2 320 144 0. This book for junior high school and language is English. Next. Analysis the cover. The cover is explained for grade 9 students of junior high school. The picture on the cover describes 3 students doing a discussion here with the English language. Maintain it can be interpersonal relationship to have the character buildings for the students. This book combined with some color to attract the students. The domain color is white, blue, green, and orange. The color orange can be interpreted as encourage, optimism, confidence, meaning it is hope that students are expected to be optimistic for studying all the material contained in this book. The color white means self-assessment and perfection. This means students can be enthusiastic about achieving their achievement and achieving their dreams. The color blue color means confident in all things according to the picture. Students are expected to be able to communicate to build character building for means that the students in active learning. Jadi, sampul tersebut tuh menjelaskan untuk siswa kelas 9 sekolah menengah pertama. Gambar di sampul menjelaskan 3 siswa sedang berdiskusi dengan bahasa Inggris. Menjaga hubungan interpersonal untuk membangun karakter siswa. Buku ini dipadukan dengan beberapa warna untuk menarik minat siswa, yaitu warna dominan, putih, biru, hijau, dan jingga. Warna orange dapat diartikan antusias, optimis, percaya diri. Artinya diharapkan siswa optimis dalam mempelajari semua materi yang terdapat dalam buku ini. Warna putih berarti prestasi dan kesempurnaan diri. Artinya, siswa dapat bersemangat dalam meraih prestasi dan menggapai impiannya. Warna biru berarti percaya diri dengan segala hal. Menurut gambar, siswa diharapkan mampu berkomunikasi untuk membangun pembentukan karakter agar siswa menjadi pelajar yang aktif. Next. Analysis cognitive dimension of revised Bloom taxonomy. In this book, remembering until applying is lost and analysis until creating its thoughts. Next one. Result analysis. Sorry, Manda. Before. Result analysis in skill speaking in textbook. For the first chapter about narrative text, the first task-taking activity, the instruction is discuss the following question with your friend. It is hot because the students must to creating the answer from the question. The second activity is retell the story. Use own word. It is lots because the students must understanding and then retell the story use own word. The third activity is say whether the following statement are true or false. It's hot because the student must analyze and give the statement. The fourth activity is organize a storytelling contents for your schools. So this is the this hot. In her, the students must to manage about material storytelling for the contents. Fifth activity is discuss the moral the story with partners. So this is hot. After read the story, the student must discuss with your partner for create to moral in the story. Jadi kegiatan pertama ini tentang naratif teks. Yang pertama itu menjawab soal. Ya, ini tuh lots karena siswa harus paham tentang soal kegiatan tentang soal. Terus activity kedua adalah lots karena mengatakan apakah pernyataan berikut ini benar atau salah. Dibilang hots karena di sini siswa harus menganalisis soal tersebut. Activity ketiga adalah memberitahu teman tentang klasifikasi alat musik. Ini lots karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. Activity keempat menceritakan fakta tentang kunang-kunang. Ini lots karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. Activity kelima yaitu ceritakan beberapa fakta tentang created. Ini lots karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. Activity keenam yaitu ucapkan fakta dalam suara aktif menjadi suara pasif. Ini HOTS karena di sini siswa harus menganalisis soal tersebut. Kegiatan ketujuh yaitu memberitahukan laporan kepada kelas. Ini LOTS karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. For the second chapter about report text, the first activity is answer the following question. It's LOTS because the student must do understanding about question. Second activity is say whatever the following statement are true or false. It's HOTS. In her, the student must analyze the question. Third activity is tell your friends about the classification of musical instruments. It is LOTS because the student must explaining according to instruction. For activity is tell the fact about fair place about below beside on the its lots because the students must explaining according to instruction. Fifth activity is tell some fact about the cricket its lots because the students must explaining according to introduction. Sixth activity is said this following fact in activity voice into passive voice. It is HOTS. In her, the student must analyze the students. Seventh activity is tell the report to the quest it's lost because the student must explaining according to introduction. Pada bab kedua tentang report test. Kegiatan pertama menjawab soal, yaitu LOTS, karena siswa harus paham tentang soal. Kegiatan kedua adalah mengatakan apakah pertanyaan ini benar atau salah, itu HOTS. Di sini siswa harus menganalisis soal tersebut. Kegiatan ketiga adalah memberitahu teman-teman tentang klasifikasi alat musik. Ini LOTS, karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. Keempat, menceritakan tentang kunang-kunang di bawah ini berdasarkan LOTS, karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai instruksi. Kegiatan kelima adalah ceritakan beberapa fakta tentang kriket. Itu LOTS, karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. Keenam, ucapkan fakta berikut ini dengan suara aktif menjadi suara pasif, HOTS. Di sini siswa harus menganalisis soal tersebut. Kegiatan ketujuh, memberitahukan laporan kepada kelas. Ini LOTS, karena siswa harus menjelaskan sesuai dengan instruksi. And the next material will be delivered by Sri Mulyani. Sri Mulyani, time is...
Okay, for the next. Ada suara nggak? Halo?
Ada.
Halo? Okay. For the next is the third chapter is about advertisement. In the first activity is discuss the following question with your friends. This is HOTS because the student must create the answers. For the second activity is the repeat interesting news. It's LOTS because the student must understand about the material after the material. And the third activity is practice a short conversation with partner. It's LOTS. In here, the student must do the implementing according to instructions. The fourth activity is say the following direct speech into report once. It's HOTS because in here the student must analyze according to instructions. The fifth activity is the practice in front of class. Dialogue about advertisement is HOTS because in here the student must produce a dialogue, then practice in front of class. The activity 6 is a present about difference and similarity. This is HOTS. In here, the student must present according to instructions. Next. For the last chapter about the song lyrics. In here, the first activity is discuss the question below with your friends. It's HOTS because the student must create the answers. The second is the second is discuss with a partner to make a sentence with verb. This is HOTS. The student must create the answers. And the third activity is tell about English song that you like most. It is LOTS because the students must explaining according to instructions. The fourth activity is answer the following question. Is LOTS because the student must understand about questions. Next. Based on the finding from the data, it can become next month, bukan yang ini. Based on our analysis, this book is accurate with the syllabus. English lesson for the 9th grade in the second semester. After read and analysis, this book is good enough and can to use a teacher guide in teaching English subject in 9 junior high school. From the cover, overall, all the color is combined to make the student interest with this book picture. For this book, actually colorful. These books have the concept map for material in every chapter, text and the illustration and design interest and construct. We also in here analyze the speaking activity in this book. We found this book show the HOTS or high order thinking skill in speaking activity. In this book relate with the new curriculum for the student to be more active by using mostly high order thinking skill. Next. our suggest these textbooks can use the teacher to teaching English subject in grade junior high school. Thanks. Thank you. So, Septi,
Okay, if you any question, you can write on the text or you can open your mic.
May I ask?
Ya, Georgie.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Georgie. Okay, my name is Georgie, and I'm from the class Sikai. I want to ask, in your explanation, your book is talking about a lots and hots. Can you give me example of both a picture and writing in the book? Jadi dari grup kalian ini membicarakan tadi tentang lots and hots. Nah,
ya, terus
Georgie.
Georgie.
Georgie. Okay, maybe the signal dari Georgie is bad. Maybe any other question?
May I?
Ya,
May
Irfan.
I? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irfan Alfandi.
Waalaikumsalam.
My question is, according to the theory that you use in analyzing the book, the textbook, how is the minimum of the good characteristic that the book must have, so that the book can be used to use by the teacher or the students. Jadi menurut teori yang digunakan, berapa sih maksimum karakteristik, good karakteristik yang harus dimiliki dari textbook tersebut sehingga buku tersebut layak untuk digunakan. Minimumnya berapa?
Okay, thank you, Irfan.
Thank you.
Okay, one more. Any other? Enough? Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. And saya kembalikan lagi ke moderator ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Group 6 from 6I. So next session will be answer the question from Group 12. Group 12.
Oke, thank you. Oke,
Okay,
jadi
time is up.
tadi pertanyaan siapa ya?
Kania Sausan.
Okay, so your question is you asking us the difficulties we found by analyzing this book and how can we solve them. Okay, the difficulties we found by analyze this book is in the aspect of content appropriateness, because in analyze the content appropriateness of this book, we need to understand the SK NKD in the scientific approach atau kurikulum 2017. Jadi kami harus paham SK sama KD untuk mengetahui ini apa kelayakan kontennya, kelayakan isi, sama and also the difficulty we found is dalam menemukan ini bukti atau evidence that we need to prove to show you why this book is appropriateness based whether is the language or graph. We need to find what pages or what number of page to show to be the proof or evidence to show you, or any additional answer from another member. Chandra, ada tambahan atau Vera?
Okay, thank you, Iransa. I will addition the answer. Also, in terms of completeness, the data in this theory are too deep, so we must have in the deep knowledge. Yeah, I think that's all. Any addition from Freira?
Okay, maybe for addition from me, almost same with Iriansa answer. Jadi must adjust the material in the book with the syllabus with SK NKD. Then jadi kesulitannya itu ketika itu menurut kami yaitu ketika menyesuaikan materi dengan SK dan KD yang ada di silabus. Begitu sih.
Oke, jadi Kania kesimpulannya kesulitan yang kami temukan itu adalah menemukan halaman berapa atau halaman berapanya yang dijadikan bukti. Terus dari Vera harus menyesuaikan sama SKKD-nya. Terus dari Chandra kami harus teori BSPNP ini kan harus secara mendalam gitu kalau ingin menganalisis buku. Itu seperti itu. Bagaimana Saudari Kania?
Oke, berarti kalian udah bisa memecahkan masalah tersebut ya?
Ya, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your answer.
Ya, Dean gitu saya.
Okay, so enough from group 12. Halo, cek.
Ya, cukup. Tadi satu pertanyaan aja.
Oh ya, oke. Okay, thank you, group 12. We move to group 6 from 6I. Hello, group 6. You can answer your question, your friend's question.
Wait,
Yes, group 6, time is yours.
wait a second.
Need time. Okay. Waktunya
the
masih lagi. Oh, udah. Oke, silakan.
the Georgie question will be answered sama Uli, Sri Mulyani.
Duluan kalau saya tidak dapat.
Sri Mulyani.
Wait, lagi loading sebentar.
Oke. Mungkin saya dulu yang menjawab pertanyaannya Irfan ya. Irfan?
Hah?
Jadi, menurut kami, nggak ada minimal ciri-ciri yang baik. Karena apa? Setiap buku kan beda-beda sih. Beda-beda kan isinya, beda-beda ini. Jadi nggak ada minimum khusus ciri-ciri yang baik. Terima kasih. Mungkin yang lain bisa menambahi. Irfan?
Ya, sepertinya maksudnya gini. Kan di teori yang Septi pakai itu kan ada lots and hots tuh. Nah, supaya bukunya itu layak digunakan menurut si teori ini, mereka harus memenuhi karakteristik yang ada di lots dan hots ini kan, harus memenuhinya kan. Ya berapa gitu minimumnya? Apakah harus penuhi semua sesuai dengan itu? Misalkan ada yang kurang 1 atau 2 boleh atau gimana gitu maksudnya?
Ya, menurut kami itu nggak ada minimumnya. Karena apa? Kan beda-beda sih setiap buku itu. Aktivitinya apa, itunya apa. Kalau misalkan, kayak misalkan nih ya, di buku 1 ini hotsnya ada 5, lotsnya ada 4. Terus di buku satunya, hostnya ada 3, lotsnya ada 5. Kan jadi nggak ada minimumnya sih buat yang terbaik gimana. Mungkin yang lain bisa menambahkan.
Suara saya terdengar. Am I audible?
Boleh.
Bisa dengar suara saya? Oke, saya ingin izin menambahkan ya. Jadi kan Irfan tadi menanyakan berapa sih minimum atau maksimumnya dari hots and lots di suatu buku biar buku itu disebut layak ya. Jadi sebenarnya Van itu nggak ada keterangan, nggak ada teorinya yang harus yang mengatakan bahwa satu buku itu harus punya minimal 5 hots atau berapapun. Itu dilihat lagi gini, cara melihatnya itu kan kita ini menganalisis nih di buku ini activity writing-nya itu ada berapa, ya kan? Dilihat dari berapa writing activity dan di setiap writing activity-nya itu kita lihat, kita analisis gitu. Dia itu activity-nya termasuk ke hots or lots based on the operational word-nya gitu kan. Based on dari operational word-nya, lalu kita lihat gitu. Jika dalam kurikulum silabusnya mengatakan bahwa itu bisa dilihat dari KD dan KI ya, itu mengatakan bahwa buku untuk kelas 9 misalkan, untuk kelas 9 SMP itu harus termasuk HOTS, ya kita lihat dari hasil analisis kita gitu. Seberapa lebih banyak HOTS-nya atau LOTS-nya gitu.
tapi maksudnya tidak, angkanya itu berapa jumlahnya itu tuh tidak menjadi batasan, tidak menjadi ketentuannya gitu. Terlebih kita lebih melihat seberapa banyak sih jumlahnya, misalkan HOTS-nya lebih besar, jumlah HOTS-nya lebih banyak ketimbang si HOTS-nya. Berarti kan buku itu sesuai dengan silabus nih, bahwa buku itu harus termasuk HOTS seperti itu. Jadi tidak ada nih aturan atau teori yang menyatakan bahwa satu buku itu harus 5 HOTS atau berapa, seperti itu.
Thank you, Dalil.
Okay, I see.
Gimana?
I got your point. Thank you. Bisa, please.
Thank you, Irfan. Okay, Sri Mulyani, maybe you can answer the question for Georgie question.
Okay, Georgie, I will to answer the question. The question is, di dalam penjelasan kami, kalian menjelaskan tentang HOTS and LOADS. Pertanyaannya, bisakah kalian memberikan contoh, baik tulisan ataupun gambar yang di dalam buku tersebut? So, here the answer for the Georgie. You can see in the table below, like the example, like number 1. The question is, tell your friends about the classification of musical instrument. Is the level of thinkingnya is understanding. The second is, tell the facts about the fireplace below based on the table is understanding, like this. Georgie?
Yeah, thank you.
You got the point?
Is any picture?
What? Apa?
Ada gambar gak di sini? Oke, enough.
Oke, thank you. Ada yang mau menambahkan? Ada yang mau menambahkan atau cukup?
Maybe enough. Okay, thank you for audience. Maaf kalau misalkan presentasi kami kurang memuaskan atau kurang baik. Kami dari grup 6. Kami tutup. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys. So that's all our meeting today. I think enough. All right. Okay, so let we close this meeting by reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, thank you for your coming from this Zoom meeting. The last I say, I do apologize if there is any mistakes. Thank you. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.